Hello and welcome viewers. In today's video we will see the official specifications of Apple's smartwatch Apple Watch Series 6 Aluminium. So at the beginning I want to say please subscribe to my channel to know the updated specifications of new gadgets. So let's see what is in the official specifications of the phone. The watch has network mode GSM, HSP, LTE, and the watch has memory space of 32GB with 1GB of RAM. The watch is coming to the market with 5 colors, and the 5 colors are silver, gold, space gray, blue, red. Display has Retina LTPO OLED 1000 nits. Display size is 1.78 inches. 60% screen to body ratio. The body dimension of the watch is 1.73 into 1.50 into 0.41 inches. The watch will weigh 36.5 grams. The watch has watchOS 7.0 operating system and chipset with Apple S6. The CPU is getting dual core. Here you get the sensor are accelerometer, gyro, heart rate, second generation, barometer, allows on altimeter, compass SpO2, VO2 max. The watch battery lithium ion 3038 mAh non-removable. You get a SIM in the watch. There is a loudspeaker for sound, but no 3.5mm jack for audio output. So friends, this is the official specifications of today's Apple Watch Series 6 Aluminium model. for those who want to a good watch from Apple. You can take it without any hesitation.